Jenna somebody.
Jango Fett.
Don't aim that camera at my stomach now.
Jango Fett.
Django Fett.
I
Come here,
can't say that
Jango.
Grandpa's ever heard of Jango Fett.
Django, a girl or a boy?
That's a boy.
Ooh, look at Jabba the Hutt. I don't like him. R2D2, C3PO. Oh, who is that? What?
And Grandpa knows about Jabba the Hutt.
Bubblehead?
That's Boba Fett. No, he's who is Boba Fett? He's the green one. What does Jango Fett look like? That'll help him. I think I need to go back.
Think we done missed him.
Mm-hmm.
He's little, isn't he? Jenga Fett? And Jenga Fett, no? Why are you laughing? I believe it's going to take us 3 days to find him.
See if you can find Jango Fett there for him,
Then when I
Molly.
find him, Ollie,
They don't even know what he looks like. Keep going back, I think.
keep going this way, Ollie.
Grandpa wouldn't know him if he saw him.
There's a Millennium
I
Falcon.
think you're getting close. It's somewhere around there.
Obi-Wan Kenobi, I know him.
There aren't any women in this, is there?
I think you need to go back forward again.
There's a woman, you think. Jedi Anakin.
Okay,
Jenga
let's go the
Fett.
other way, Ollie.
Tell me when you see Jenga Fett, for heaven's sakes. You've always liked Jenga Fett, haven't you? Jenga Fett. I wish you would go to Sesame Street. Jenga Fett. Let's see Jenga Fett. Oh, that's old man, I forget. Can you tell me how to get to Jenga Fett? Mm-hmm, Darth Maul. Where are you, Jenga Fett? Come on, Jenga Fett. Come. There he is. He's blue and gray and black.
So he was a bounty hunter, huh?
Uh-huh. Is he a good guy or a bad guy? Melted stomach.
I think he's a bad guy, ain't he?
Is he bad?
He's a bad guy.
The bounty hunters were
Oh, he
bad guys.
seems to like the bad guys. Did Jango Fett and young Boba Fett? Who is this? Boba Fett? He's green here.
Jango Fett's Boba Fett's daddy.
Wait a minute now. Jango Fett is Boba Fett's daddy, and Boba Fett is good or bad?
Bad. They're both
Are all
bad.
bounty hunters bad?
I don't believe
And
you're
Star
gonna
Wars
need to know
stuff.
all this to get in kindergarten.
No, I don't think so either.